Hey guys, I'm Tom the Tech Chap, and this is the new 2019 LG NanoCell TV. It's the biggest TV I've ever had, but fortunately, thanks to those super thin bezels, or what LG call nano bezels, I don't think it looks too ridiculously big for my tiny little living room, right? So a big thank you to LG for sending this out for me to try out, and straight away, I have to say how impressive it is considering it's not an OLED TV. Now of course LG makes some of the best OLEDs on the market, but these LG NanoCell TVs are sort of their top of the line non-OLEDs. They use traditional LED technology rather than organic LED or OLED, so they're a little bit more affordable and therefore they're competing with other brands' LED and QLED TVs. So it's 4K, HDR, and it uses full array LED backlighting. And combined with the NanoCell tech that improves viewing angles, color accuracy, contrast, and also offering AI upscaling, picture quality on this thing is stunning. LG's marketing department really do love the word nano. We've got nano colors, nano blacks, nano accuracy, and that nano bezel. There is a good reason behind this branding though, and that's because these TVs use a 1 nanometer particle filter that LG say helps to enhance color purity and give you a better viewing experience. What that means in practice is you get super wide viewing angles, there's barely any brightness and color shift, unlike most traditional LED TVs. So if you've got a bunch of mates coming around to play some games or watch a movie, even those in the cheap seats at the back will still get a great viewing experience. And this is all helped by the fact it uses an IPS panel, which unlike traditional VA panels on lots of LED TVs, gives you better viewing angles and also more accurate colors. So with that nanoparticle filter, which they say helps to filter out duller colors, you get the purest and the most accurate colors possible. You really have to see it to believe it. Watching this through a compressed YouTube video does not do it justice. And with that full array dimming backlight, compared to edge-lit LED TVs, you get much deeper blacks and finer detail. So even in really dark scenes, you get deep inky blacks, and at the same time, you don't get as much haloing around bright areas with a dark background. So it looks great just watching TV, but to get the most out of it, you want to watch a UHD Blu-ray or stream a 4K HDR movie. It even supports Dolby Vision HDR. One thing that really frustrates me about a lot of TVs is you have to spend hours in the picture settings tweaking every little thing to get the best possible image quality. So one thing I like about this LG TV is you get some great presets. When I'm just watching regular TV, I'll have it either in ISF Expert Bright or Dark, depending on whether I'm watching it in the day or at night. But then when I'm watching a movie, I'll then switch it to Technicolor Expert. You can still tweak the settings to your heart's content, but these presets have all been tuned to be as authentic as possible to the source material. So you get a great picture and there's minimal faffing about in the settings. Other improvements this year include the new Alpha 7 Gen 2 processor, and this brings with it improved noise reduction, better contrast, especially if you turn on the local dimming picture setting, and it also has AI deep learning built in, which optimizes picture and sound quality. So using a massive database of images, it can detect objects and scenes on screen, like a face or grass or something, and then optimize the settings to give you a better picture. It's also the first time we get the latest HDMI 2.1 port, which adds support for things like EARC, so if you have compatible speakers or soundbars, you can get lossless Dolby Atmos sound. We also get VRR, or variable refresh rate, plus we can get 1080p and even 4K at 120Hz on this TV. So gaming is awesome, and it'll automatically switch to game mode with the lowest input lag when it detects a console input. Navigating around menus is also really easy with LG's Magic Remote, which kind of acts like a laser pointer using its gyroscope, so you can go straight to what you want. It makes it much quicker for inputting your email and password when you're logging into apps. And also using WebOS 4.5 here, it's a really slick and fast experience. This is the latest version of WebOS, which adds a home dashboard, a second row above the apps, which gives you contextual information, so you can hover over Netflix and you can see recently watched and recommended shows. It also has the Google Assistant built in, and soon, through an update, it'll also have Alexa support. Let's try it out. The Tech Chap YouTube. There we go. Like and subscribe. Let's try something else. Our Planet Netflix. There we go. So I can then just click on that. And we're good to go. Overall then, with its NanoCell picture quality, stylish design, AI features, plus future-proof HDMI 2.1 ports, it's a very impressive TV. I'm just glad they didn't send out the 75-inch one to try out, because I don't think I'd have room for that. If you do want to find out more, I've put links in the description, and let me know what you think of these NanoCell TVs in the comments below. Would you consider buying one? So I hope you found this quick run through of LG's new NanoCell TVs helpful. If you did and want to see more of my videos, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button down there, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. And I'll see you guys next time right here on the Tech Chat.